Hello my friends, I would like to thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. In this video we're gonna go over how to get a pretty banging deal on an oil change. You know, if you go to AutoZone or any other parts store, usually you get like some deals for like 23, 24 bucks. You'll get oil and filter. But there's a place that I get oil from that will surprise you. Well, might not surprise everybody, but it does surprise lots of people, where you can get banging deals on oil and do oil changes for a lot less. So, without further ado, boom! Formula Shell right here. So this is actually from Home Depot, and they very often at Home Depot on sale for $9.99 for a 5-quart jug, which is extremely cheap. It's cheaper than even house brand Walmart SuperTech stuff. And this is actually very good quality oil. I've been using this oil for a couple of years. That is actually the oil that is used in my daily, so in the Caprice, and I change it about every 5,000 miles, and it does really well. So at Home Depot, $9.99. You can do, I mean, if you feel like going and spending extra time finding cheaper filter, you can go and get the SuperTech filter from Walmart actually. But, you know, Home Depot had Fram filter, so I just bought Fram for $3 more. So your total pretty much gonna be 13 bucks to do the oil change. That is better deal than pretty much at any local parts stores or anywhere else. So if you have, if you know where to get better deal on oil for oil change for 5-quart jug and a filter under 15 bucks, let me know. I'll definitely check it out and review it. But for all of you guys on the budget that still want quality oil and get oil change done under 20 bucks, under 15 bucks, this is probably the best deal for the money. And again, you can go to Walmart and get SuperTech filter instead. It is better than Fram filters, are pretty much garbage. But for the price difference of $1, and if you do change your oil pretty often, I try to change mine between 3,000 and 5,000 miles, depends on the car. Fram will do. And the oil is 5W30 weight, which is, if you drive old hoopties like I do, most of the older cars take 5W30, like most of the Japanese cars and most of the like older American cars. So it's definitely a good investment to get couple jugs anyway. They only had 2, so I ended up buying only 2. I would get more. I'll probably stop buying a couple of days and get some more. Because I mean, if you spend 30-40 bucks, once it's in a jug, it doesn't really expire. It's not like it has expiration date or anything like that. Well, I'm sure if it sits there for like 50 fucking years, it's gonna expire. But if you drive a lot, if you have lots of cars, you'll be good. Get 4 or 5 jugs. All right, and let's see what this oil looks like. Close to 5,000 miles. So this has been in the car for close to 5,000 miles, but if you look at it, it's pretty decent. I mean, it's not gonna be clear because the whole point of oil is to absorb all that crap. So yeah, it's a definite quality oil. I would put it on the same par as Castrol GTX, which is, for all of you guys that been watching my channel, if you see my oil changes, I do use Castrol GTX a lot. I do like that oil a lot. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please let me know. Hit thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if it sucked ass. Please subscribe if you haven't, and again, I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. Have a good day.